everybody, Elizabeth with Country Peony, and today I partnered with Clover to show you another fun technique using their amazing products. So today we're going to be using Clover's needle felting tool to create some fun felt hearts. But the great thing about this is that you can apply this technique that I show you today to make your own felting products. Whether you incorporate them into your fall decor like I did with this homemade wreath, or adding them to your pillows, or adding them to your sweaters. The possibilities truly are endless. So if you want to see how to use Clover's needle felting tool to embellish your home, then come along. Thank you so much for following along today, guys. I hope you feel inspired to try some new fun techniques using Clover's amazing products. So if you want to see more simple DIYs and tutorials, please check out my blog, countrypeony.com, or feel free to follow me on social media at The Country Peony. I'd love to have you there. Until next time, happy crafting.